Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to create a coupon. So when you log into your back office, you want to go to the deals section here, and then we're going to go to add new. So we're going to create a new one, and when you get to this stage, you'll see that you have a variety of templates that you can choose from. There's ones that's already set up for, how much dollar off or how much percent off your coupon could be. For today, what we're going to do is we're going to actually create our own coupon. So let's go here, click on create your own coupon. This next section you're going to see is where we can choose what type of coupon we're going to make. There are two types of coupons that we can make. One is the share it up deal, where your coupon actually increases in value the more that people share it up. And then we also have the static deal. If you ever have a question on what these buttons are, there's always an information button that you can push here that says what each of the items that you're currently working on, what it goes on to. So here it says share it up coupon. It changes its value based on the quantity of people that share it up. Or static coupon is just a standard coupon, set price, percentage off, or dollar amount off, what have you. So today what we're going to do is create a share it up coupon. The next option we have is, do we want it to be printable or website link? Basically, a printable one is exactly what it says. The user can print it off and then bring it into your place of business. Or the online code is a coupon that links to a website where they can enter a promotional code. For today, we're just going to create a printable coupon, and then we're going to choose a price off or percent off or just a set price. Obviously, for a shared up deal, it's either going to be a price off or a percent off. So let's choose price off. And for United States, we're dealing with the United States dollar. Obviously, there's also the Canadian dollar, the euro, and the pound that you can choose from. But we're going to choose United States dollar. Click continue. It'll take you to the next section here. Up here, we can actually choose to insert an 11-digit UPC code if you choose to do that. But let's start here. Let's give our coupon a title. So we're going to call this coupon demo coupon, and then you want to put a description. So whatever your coupon is, this is just a test, okay? And then what we want to do now is create price off. So let's go and say let's give it $1 off. So when we put in 1, you can see up here it'll go to $1 off. So whatever number you put here is what it'll be starting off at the current deal. So say we started out at $2 off. You can see it changes to $2 off. So let's just start with 1. On this initial level, a total people required will not be available for you until you get to the next tier. So we get to tier 2. So if you wanted to copy whatever you just put here on the initial deal, all you have to do is click on this little icon. This little icon will copy the field up to the next tier. So boom, you see we clicked it there. Your title, your description, and your price off got copied. Now obviously for the next tier, your price off will be a little bit more. So for our next tier, let's give $2 off. Now what you have to input on this tier is how many total people are required to achieve this level. So let's say we want to have, let's say 2 people is required to share it up in order to get this new level of $2 off. Okay, let's add another tier. So if you want to add another tier, you click right here. It says add tier, and then we have the third tier here. Okay. So now you can see our deal went from initially $1 off, and then now the max deal is $0 off. Don't get freaked out by that. It's just because we have not put in anything on our max level yet, which is tier number 3. So we're going to click on copy that. So now you can see that the $2 off came up because the price off on our max level on the max tier is $2. So let's change that to 3 because we want that value to go up the more people come in and share it up. So here we have 3 total people number required to reach this level. Let's put that at 3. Let's add one more tier. Let's add another tier. Let's copy it, and then price off, let's just do 4 just to keep things a little bit more consistent. Number of people required, let's put that as 4 as well. So we'll stop there. So we have 4 tier levels: the initial level, tier 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and just click continue. Now this will take us to our next one that says layout. What do you want this coupon to look like here? Right now this is what the coupon looks like. We can also show images. So we're showing the prices here. Now we want to click and show an image. Always good to include an image. Here we can look at the different ways we can put images into this image placeholder. We can either choose to upload a file from your hard drive, or we can select from past deals or select from stock photography. Since this is our first one, you aren't going to have anything in the past deals. So you can either choose to upload a file from your hard drive of whatever represents your business. You can actually take a picture of this product or service that you're giving a deal off, or you can just select from the stock photography. What we're going to do here is just select from the stock photography. So let's choose these handbags. So here we chose the handbags, and just go ahead and click continue. The next section will bring us to is the restrictions section. This will give us the parameters of when the deal starts, when it ends, total use limit, and all these things here. So let's look at the first one, start date. Let's start, today is August 19th. Let's start on the 19th. Let's run it to the end of the month. Obviously, you can choose whatever is your end date, whatever you want to. Just for purposes here, we'll just choose August 31st. The expiration date will, here's what happens is the deal will run from August 19th to August 31st. The expiration date means that after they print off the coupon or they have the coupon on their mobile device, this is when it's good up till. So say we ended at the 31st here, right? Let's end the deal when they can use the coupon on September 30th. Okay, so it'll say how long the deal is and when it expires. Total use limit is how many total number of uses or prints it is total. So this is basically how many times you want this deal to run in totality. So say you had 250 people that actually shared it up, and that was your limit. It would stop after that, after the 250th person. Okay, so good rule of thumb, you know what, for most people, leave this blank. Obviously, if you wanted to use a total use limit, you didn't want it to go over, say 500, just because you didn't want to get bombarded, you can list a total use limit. But for our purposes here, we're just going to leave that blank. A start restriction, when does this deal start? Okay, so you want to restrict also people outside an effective area of your coupon. So say you had, you were a service business that you lived in, I live in Southern California, your service wouldn't pertain to those in like North Dakota. So it wouldn't be pertinent to advertise your coupon up in North Dakota. So we'll restrict that there. Also, you can actually enable this to be printed once. So if somebody went and printed out the coupon and they wanted to print it out again, you can actually just cut that off. You may or may not want to do that. Also, the lock print function is once the user prints the coupon, the user is locked in at that current deal. So say, like in this case, our current deal is $1 off, and then the max is $4 off. If they printed it off right now, they couldn't go back and share it up to get the deal up to $4. If they printed it off, it would be stuck at $1 off. You may or may not want to use that. The terms of use is where you would put what is the conditions of this coupon. It's like you can say something like you must present this coupon upon entering business, something like that, or use is not valid for cash redeemable, or whatever that people put on their coupons there. This is where you would input that. Okay, and then you want to hit continue. Searchable keywords. So say you had pertinent keywords that's relevant to your business or service. You want to put those in here. And then here we go to the social coupon effective area. This is where the coupons will be listed according to where a consumer would be searching for your coupons. So say you wanted to allow that within, a specific distance of your business, or just your state, specific states, different states, your country, a specific country, or countries, or you just want to make it available to the whole world. We'll just include available to the whole world. Obviously, if you went to a specific distance, you could choose within 10-mile radius of your business, 20 miles, or you could choose your state, which is it'll automatically geolocate what state you're in. Specific states, you could choose which specific states, your country, different countries, and let's just choose global. Then we can also restrict from specific states. So say you didn't want this coupon to be run in different states or specific countries, you can specify those here. So we've completed everything there. Let's go and create the coupon. Now here is our coupon. Now the next step here is you've created your coupon. You must make your coupon active. So here you would create your coupon to be active. See how it has this little red dot here? You want to click on that and your deal is now active. So now when users are searching on the PeopleDeals database, they'll be able to see your coupon. So that about sums it up on how to create your coupon.